guys, it's Grant bringing another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung EVO 960 Plus, I think I got that alright, M.2 SSD. So this is going in my new build. I'm replacing a normal hard drive as well as an SSD with just this. I got the 500GB version, got it from BH Photo and Video. The box is destroyed, but it seems like the hard drive's in like a really small box, so it should be fine. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and open this up just to show you what's inside. Just a quick, simple video while I'm opening it up. Might as well film it. So yeah, here we go. So, got it open. Like I said, it doesn't really matter if the box is smushed. Throw that over there. Okay, here it is. The 970 EVO Plus. This is NVMe M.2, which is like the format. This means it goes in the motherboard. It's not like a SATA type SSD. So this is even faster than SATA, which is why I would get it. Out of this box, has a little plastic thing covering it, but this is it. It's actually way smaller than I expected, even though like I know like the general size because I've seen the spot for it on my motherboard. But yeah, this is it. This is just a very quick unboxing video. This is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in checking out the build this is going into in this new case, from this case, I'm rebuilding my PC. Look for other videos. I got like a whole series on that. They'll probably be out by now. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.